It was another busy day at Todd's repair shop. As he worked on changing the brakes on a truck, his phone rang constantly with the front desk passing callers through. Business had been steady, but Todd dreamed of growing his customer base. He knew there must be a better way to reach more people than relying on word of mouth and the occasional promotion. That evening, Todd decided to do some research online about marketing strategies. As he scrolled through various options like social media ads or mailers, one term kept coming up: search engine optimization, or SEO. Curious to learn more, he jotted down some notes about the basics of SEO. The next day, Todd stopped by the bookstore during his lunch break. In the business section, a book caught his eye: All SEO Secrets, CEO's Advice on Becoming SEO Expert. Flipping through, he was amazed by how much he didn't know. Todd learned SEO is about optimizing websites to rank higher in search engines like Google, so more potential customers can find a business online. He saw how SEO drives free traffic instead of ads. Intrigued, Todd bought the book to learn the strategies in more depth on his commute home. That evening, Todd dove into the first chapters about the history of search engines and how they work. He was surprised algorithms consider so many on-page and off-page factors beyond keywords alone. Todd took thorough notes on technical optimizations like sitemaps, loading speed, and coding best practices too. As he continued reading on the weekend, Todd gained valuable insights into keyword research, building search-optimized content with user intent in mind. He also learned about link building, reaching out to other sites to gain recognition. Todd was excited to start implementing changes based on what he read. Over the following months, Todd focused SEO efforts on his top keyword targets. He updated web pages, always keeping users as priority one. Todd also consistently built quality blog articles and reached out to others in his industry. To stay accountable, Todd utilized the analytics tools recommended. He was thrilled to see organic traffic slowly rising week over week. Before long, Google searches were driving significant new customer calls and estimates. Business was booming thanks to SEO. Eager to share his success, Todd organized a small business marketing workshop. He covered the core SEO strategies that transformed his shop. Attendees were inspired hearing firsthand results. Many signed up to read all SEO secrets themselves. Just 1 year later, Todd's repair shop was the top local search result. He proudly credits SEO knowledge with letting customers find his best-in-class service easily online. Todd continues perfecting his campaigns, always learning from SEO's constant evolution. His story shows how SEO can grow any business when implemented properly.